Hello, good morning. So, February 5, 2026, Thursday. And then, ang panahon kay lain jud tanawa ha. Panahon no. Hangin, and then dag-umon. Sabot, wa pa may kasabot kung suspended pa ang klase or kanang naay klase. Kay naghuwat pa may sa announcement. Maora to. So, kalo nagkikay ni. Hello! So, nag-chilling na lang mi darian. Suspended ang klase ugma. Wa di ugma. Suspended ay. Long weekend. Lain ang panahon. Grabe hangin oh. Kita mo? Grabe hangin. Na? Jam uwan, grabe. Ito munggay. Signal number 1 ng Southern Leyte. So, natadarian. Kami nang uli. Nagrabe hangin ng tanawa. Mora to, bye. For coming into your life, just to break your heart to pieces and then leave you in the night. And I tried my own dito. I tried my best to stay by your side, but who knew the rolling seasons would reveal that sometimes we aren't meant to be the one. So goodbye to the ones we once loved. When things get heavy and you expected more from me, I tried to be there to take away what's hurt. But I didn't know this, that I was stripping away, and pieces of myself felt there was nothing left to keep. But I didn't even want to leave, but I apologize for coming into your heart, just to break your heart to pieces and to leave you in the night. And I tried my best to stay by your side, but who knew the rolling seasons would reveal that sometimes to be the one. So goodbye to the ones we once loved.